up, guys? In this video, let's go ahead and check out a good hardware wallet that you could consider to make your crypto assets more secure. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is Ledger. The landing page link will be in the description of the video. Let's go ahead and check out the website and see what are the things that, the specs and all of the good stuff that we could find out about this hardware wallet. So just like what you're seeing right now, the smartest way to secure your crypto, you have Ledger. And guys, if you're gonna be asking me, is it necessary to buy the hardware wallet? My answer to that is yes, but it's just my opinion. I want to make sure that my crypto assets are secure because there's, like for investors that has hundreds or tens of thousands of dollars that they have in their crypto wallets, you're not gonna leave it all to luck, right? That you're just gonna have like a MetaMask wallet, not have a hardware wallet, and then it's prone to hacking, right? I mean, I would spend that much needed cash to for the security of my assets instead of just, if I get hacked, you lose more than buying a hardware wallet that would definitely drastically increase the security of your assets. So you have Ledger here, and for this one, I would like to focus on the Ledger Nano X. So let's go ahead and check out what are the features that this has for the model. So when you own a crypto, what you really own is a private key that gives you access to your coins. You need to keep this completely safe, and Ledger wallets are the best way to own and secure this key. So again, guys, I would recommend you having a hardware wallet if you have the funds to do so, and if you have a lot of crypto assets. If you are serious with your crypto career or your crypto investments, then I would strongly suggest that you guys go ahead and check this one out. Okay, so your crypto totally accessible, secure your valuable assets with the Nano X hardware wallet, and manage and grow them with the Ledger Live app. It simply gets started. So look at this. It's like a flip type hardware wallet, and it has Bluetooth, which is, my hardware wallet is wired, right? This one is Bluetooth already. If I had that chance, guys, I would have bought this one instead of the one that I have, because this is easier. Like, I'm not gonna bring it anywhere where I go because I wanted to make sure that it's safe. But again, the ease of use wherein you don't need wires and you don't need cables. You just need to have like a approximate distance between the hardware wallet and your phone, and you're gonna be able to access that. That is gold right there. So on the go, manage your crypto and NFTs wherever you go. Connect your Ledger Nano X to your smartphone with Bluetooth. Oh my goodness. Okay, so grow your assets, keep your assets safe. So again, guys, that is something that you need to think about because it's security, okay? So manage 5 to 500 plus coins and tokens. With Ledger Nano X, you can secure and manage 5,500 coins and tokens, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and more. So let's go ahead and check out the full list here just for fun. So just for you guys to see. So these are the wallets. They have a lot here, and we will put that in the description of the video. That way you could go back in here if you would like during your own research time. All right. So yeah, but for the first page, they have Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, USDT, Bitcoin Cash, Polkadot, Litecoin, Binance Coin or BNB, EOS, and then Tezos. So that is the one for the first page. So if you have a question on what asset or what crypto you're holding, then you can go back here and check it if it is available. Okay, so frequently asked questions. So why do I need a hardware wallet? The smartest choice when securing your crypto is using a hardware wallet that stores private keys offline, making them independent of third parties and resistant to online threats. Software wallets store private keys on systems that are connected to the internet, making them susceptible to all kinds of attack, which again, guys, I would not leave to chance. Okay, So again, if you have the funds, I would strongly suggest that you shop around for whatever hardware wallet you prefer. But you gotta check this one out, Ledger Nano X. I mean, the features, top of the line for our time right now. Okay, so what happens if I break my Ledger Nano X? Misplace your ledger, got stolen, accidentally soaked in water, dropped it. Your assets are stored on the blockchain, which you can access using your ledger. You can access, manage, and retrieve your assets as long as your secret recovery phrase is safe and accessible only to you. Simply get another Ledger Nano and restore accounts using your recovery phrase. And boom, you're back in the game. So, I mean, that is actually one question that I have before. So what if this one breaks? How can I recover my wallet? So you just need to take note of the recovery phrase. Take note of that. I would not, even if it's a hardware wallet, I will not suggest for you to like take a screenshot or save it somewhere in your computer. I would recommend that you write it down, put it in a safe or a safe place that you could store it where it's not gonna be lost. That way, if in case, hopefully not, but in case you would need it, you got access to it. All right. So Ledger Nano X here, up to 100 apps, 128 by 64 px screen, USB-C certified secure chip, NFTs managing, Bluetooth connection. So you can go ahead and check that one out. Again, guys, check them out. Do your own research. Join all of the social media platforms that they have. That way you will be notified. If there are any discounts or any giveaways that they are doing, you will definitely be notified. All right, so if you're new to the channel, guys, please consider subscribing. Click that like, that subscribe, and click the bell. That way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.